We just arrived in Jyväskylä in the center of Finland, and we are ready to enjoy the first bike touring trip of the spring.
Oh, Jyväskylä, man.
Jokaisella itseään kunnioittavalla bike-touraajalla on kaljakori vessassa. We just entered this highway. We have to ride it for like 7 kilometers. It's not fun, but you know, you just have to endure it. Exactly the reason why we are here. Finnish lake land, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm a bit surprised that there's still snow in some parts of the lake. You know, down south it's much more warmer. This hail is totally killing me. I mean, it is killing me. But I planned this route, so the fault is all mine. Push a bike. So we just arrived at Leivonmäki National Park. We found this beautiful camping spot just below this ester. It's gonna be a great relaxing weekend all the way. It's a bit cold, a bit chilly right now, some like 6 degrees. We have set up our tents. We're gonna take a dip and swim, you know, cook some food, have a few beers, and you know, it's pretty much it. morning from Naumi Beach at Sysmä in central Finland. Today's supposed to be like 10 degrees. Hopefully it's gonna be a sunny all day. Today we're unfortunately gonna ride home, but still try to enjoy the great views. We have some great ridges up ahead, you know, more of this beautiful Lake Päijänne. So I'm really looking forward to it. It is beautiful. I'm really waiting for those summer rides, you know, to visit this place when it's summer and it's much warmer. See you on the road.
Jännä miten toi perse on niin herkkä hiljaa.
Very nice.
Näin, tätä ei